Hi and welcome to today's video by Study Interface. Today's video is for those of you who are preparing for the GRE. Today's video is about a recurring pattern in the GRE AWA. As you know, in its current form, the GRE has an analytical writing assessment, but now with only analysis of an issue essays. The common pattern that we will talk about today is when the qualifying term best or any other superlative is used in a GRE essay topic. We'll be talking about the most analytical position to take when such a qualifying term is used, and also how this essay has to be structured. First, let's look at how this qualifying term, that is, best, is used in an official topic. Let's read this official topic together. This official topic is taken from the GRE pool of topics. However, it has been paraphrased. The best way to measure the effectiveness of a country's leaders is to examine the well-being of that country's people. Let's paraphrase this topic. This topic says that the best way to measure how effective a country's leaders are is to look very closely at the people in that country and decide whether they are truly well looked after by their leadership, whether their well-being is at a high level. Completely agreeing or disagreeing is often a no-no in the GRE analysis of an issue. That is because it is not a very analytical position to take. So often, we agree partially and disagree partially. When the term best is used, as we saw in this topic, the best way to measure X is to apply Y. Whenever this term is used, the best perspective to take is that it is a good way. However, it is not the best way. There are other better ways. Finally, a holistic approach, using many parameters to measure something, is the best way forward. So, as far as this topic is concerned, which again states that the best way to measure a leader's effectiveness is to look at the well-being of the people in his or her country. For this, you can take this perspective. You can agree that looking at the well-being of the people in that country is a good way or a crucial way to measure a leader's effectiveness. But there are other crucial ways of measuring the effectiveness of a leader too. Finally, in your perspective, you should state that the best way is to use a holistic approach. So again, your perspective is looking at the welfare of the people is a crucial measure. There are other important measures too. All these measures should be combined holistically to measure the true effectiveness of leaders. In short, you have said that something is a good way to measure something else, but not the best. Using a holistic approach is the most important thing. Now let's talk about organizing your response. Firstly, in the introduction, introduce the concept of effective leadership. Always start your introduction with a brief discussion of the broad topic, which in this case is effective leadership, and then state your position. Your position should be stated as clearly as possible. Remember, your position is that examining the well-being of a country's people is a crucial way to measure leadership effectiveness, but not the only important way. Also, a holistic way is the best way forward. So, state your position very clearly immediately after you have introduced the concept of effective leadership. In the first body paragraph, state the extent of your agreement. Here, your topic sentence should be that the well-being of citizens is an important measure of effective leadership. Elaborate upon this topic sentence in this body paragraph with evidence and examples. In the third paragraph, argue for a holistic approach that combines all the most important elements of effective leadership to basically evaluate whether a leader has been effective or not. State that effectiveness in leadership can be measured only by a combined approach of all these elements. In the conclusion, restate your position and add a closing thought. Your closing thought could be a fear, a hope, or most usually a recommendation. Thanks for watching today's video. For more insightful videos like this, like, share and subscribe. To get your GRE prep plans on track, or to get your plans to study in the US and other countries on track, Register at www.studyunifees.io for a free counseling session or a free demo class.